welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I'm in black and white because I finally have all 4 of the Oden's Eye Christmas palettes, and I'm doing a palette bingo with them. I know in my previous video where I talked about all the Christmas palettes I own, I did complain a little bit about the shipping from Oden's Eye. My issue was never with Oden's Eye, it was with the shipping company that still to this day has not contacted me back about my missing package. So I did end up ordering from Oden's Eye again. I ordered the same palettes. They ended up refunding me that and still sending me the palettes, so shout out to them for actually sending these out to me again. But I am so happy that I have all 4 of these now, and without further ado, let's get into this palette bingo. So here are all 4 of the Oden's Eye Christmas palettes. I'm going to start with the 2 from last year. This one is the Merry Christmas palette. It is absolutely stunning. Please ignore the missing nail. And this is the Christmas Eve palette. This one might actually be my favorite. I love this one so much. Beautiful. And then the 2 new ones are Hey Reindeer and Snow Dream. Hey Reindeer is so pretty. I am loving the tones in here, and Snow Dream is just adorable. This one really screams like Christmas with like the reds and the greens. I'm just loving all the tones in all 4 of these. So there are 16 shades in each palette. I'm going to draw 2 from each palette for 8 shadows to use today, and let's just get started. Alright, so I'm going to do Merry Christmas first. So I'm going to do 11 and 6. 11 is this beautiful pink called Bless, and number 6 is Best Wish. Ooh, I can already tell this is going to be a fun combo. Alright, let's do Christmas Eve. So I have 5 and 14. So number 5 is Just Now, and number 14 is Gorgeous. These are interesting. Ooh, Gorgeous is like, oh, it's like a duochrome. Ooh, I love that. Okay, interesting. Okay, Hey Reindeer is going to be 13 and 3. Okay, number 13 is Bells, and number 3 is Greetings. Alright, and Snow Dream will be number 14 and number 15. I think I'm going to say this wrong. God Jewel and Tinsel. Okay, this is a very interesting color story. So I'm going to take a second, figure out where I want this look to go. Throw out my hair because it's actually quite warm today, and I'm going to get started with the makeup. Alright, so I went ahead and primed my eyes with my Anastasia eye primer, and I think I have an idea. I think I'm going to take the greens and majority of the shimmers on the top and take this shade, and the pink shimmer shade and smoke that on the bottom, and then put one of the shimmers on the inner corner. That's my thought process. Is it gonna work out? Maybe not. So I'm gonna start in the Christmas Eve palette. I'm gonna go into Just Now, and I'm gonna focus this on my outer corner, stamping it and then blending it. I'm gonna blend this shade out with that light green shade. I absolutely love greens. I feel like I don't do enough green shadow looks, but I also feel like I do too many. I got that blended out a little bit, so I'm gonna go into Best Wishes, and I'm just gonna take a larger fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start building this in my crease, just very lightly to help really blend out that shade also. I'm also gonna take this right up to the front of my brow. That is just a way that I prefer to do my makeup. Right, just really making sure that this shade is nice and blended all throughout the crease. And I'm going to start working it around the outside of that first shade. I'm going to go back into Just Now and just re-intensify that. Beautiful, I'm loving that. I have a little bit of fallout down here, but I think it'll be fine. I'm now gonna go into Greetings and work on my lower lash line. This one's in the Hey Reindeer palette. I'm gonna focus this right on the lower lash line, sort of like more in the center. Alright, got that laid out, and I'm gonna go into the God Jewel shade. I apologize if I'm saying that wrong. I believe it is Swedish. Going on a small brush, and I'm going to focus this right on the outer edge. This shade is going to play very well with the greens up top. I love doing like a brownie green look together. I know it looks a little crazy, but it's all going to come together eventually. For the Merry Christmas palette, I'm going to go into the shade Bless. I'm just going to pick that up on my finger. You know, the finger that doesn't have a nail, because that works out today. I'm going to put this on the inner part of my lower lash line. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's like pink with blue sparkles in it. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to put this all on my lid, and I'm going to start playing with those other shimmers. And I have just a flat brush to apply that. I'm going all the way basically to the inner corner, dragging it about 2/3 of the way over, and then I'm following my natural crease just slightly above that, sort of like a cut crease, but it's not like gonna be a crisp one. I just want a very nice sticky base for that shimmer to really pop. all the shimmers really. So I'm gonna first go in with Bells here, and I'm just gonna use the same brush for this, and I'll just clean it off in between application. I want Bells to be on this back section, and just stamping that on, and then I'll blend it out in a moment. The shade is so pretty. Alright, now I'm gonna pop into Tinsel from Snow Dream. Just pick up a little bit of that. Ooh, that is so pretty. Taking this one to follow basically my crease, and I'm leaving a little spot open for the lash shimmer. That just looks so pretty. I'm gonna flip the brush over to kind of blend the Bells in with that. Just do it back and forth really. And then with my finger, I'm gonna go into Gorgeous. Yeah, you can really see the shift there. I don't know how people can get duochromes to capture on camera. Just going to, ooh yeah, that is so pretty. I'm in love. I am in love with the exposure down. This just looks so magical. I'm gonna go back in with my brush and take a little bit more Just Now and kind of just stamp that over to blend that shimmer, and then going in with that original big brush and going back in with Best Wishes, very lightly going back over that also. I am absolutely loving how this looks. I think I'm done with the shadow though, so I'm going to hop off and figure out something for my waterline, and I'll probably do a wing because I feel like this needs a wing. Figure out my lash and lips, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. But so far, like, this looks incredible. I totally forgot to do an inner corner moment. So I'm gonna go in with Bless, and I'm gonna pick that up on just a small brush. I can't believe I forgot to do the inner corner. Right there, I like the pink. You know what, I think the pink, and then take Gorgeous. Pick up a little bit of that and mix those two. Unorthodox? Maybe. I like it. Now I'm gonna go finish my eyes. Alright, and here is my finished look. I really like how this came out. Is it technically like my favorite look that I've done lately? No. I just feel very me when I'm super colorful. So to finish off this look, I went in with the NYX lash in the style Bewitched. This was from like Halloween. I don't know if this is still available, but it's just a simple black pair with like a hint of pink throughout it. I thought the pink up top would tie in the lower lash line. For mascara, I use my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and then my lip liner is Soft Pink from e.l.f. This is the Love Triangle lip liner, and I just topped that with my Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Hope. And in case I didn't mention it before, I went in with my Game Beauty and Akidearest liner in black, and then the Colourpop gel liner in Insomniac for my waterline, because I love a good pink in my waterline. So that is everything for this look. Let me know what you think of it. I am so happy that I finally have the 2 Christmas palettes. In a couple days, I do plan on having a video out about the 2 new palettes. I'll do a look with the Hey Reindeer and a look with the Snow Dream one. It'll be a 2 looks, 2 palettes video. So that's something to look forward to. I think the 2 new ones are still available, but I don't think that the 2 that came out last year, I don't think that they are doing another run of that. But all my makeup details will be listed down below, so if you're interested in knowing any of it, it's all down in the description. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. We're just a few short days away from Christmas, so I hope you are ready for the holiday. If not, I just hope you have a restful time. And if you work retail, I hope that customers aren't being too bad. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like book content, I am Devouring Bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. But I think that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're seeing this. Happy holidays, and I will see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!
I think that my Christmas has died.